7 Common Signs You Are Nutrient Deficient. Hi there, welcome to Bloom. There are numerous advantages to eating a well-balanced and nutritious diet. A nutrient-deficient diet, on the other hand, might result in a number of unpleasant symptoms. These signs and symptoms are your body's method of alerting you to possible vitamin and mineral deficiency. Recognizing them might assist you in making appropriate dietary changes. In today's video we will go over 7 signs you are nutrient deficient, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. Subscribe and turn on notifications to see more videos like this and much more. Number 1. Loss of hair. A lack of vitamins and minerals, which are necessary for regular cell growth and function, may result in hair loss if the body is not receiving enough of them. Iron aids in the creation of DNA, especially the DNA found in hair follicles. Hair can eventually stop growing or fall out if you don't have enough iron. Zinc aids in both the synthesis of protein and the division of cells, and is required for hair development. As a result, zinc deficiency can result in loss of hair. Number 2. Gums that bleed. Bleeding gums can be caused by abrasive teeth cleaning, but they can also be caused by a vitamin C deficiency in the diet. Vitamin C plays a vital role in our body's immune system and wound healing, as well as acting as an antioxidant to protect cells from harm. Because your body does not produce vitamin C on its own, you must get it from what you eat. Vitamin C deficiency is uncommon in those who eat a healthy diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables. Many people, however, do not consume enough fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. Long-term deficiency symptoms, such as bleeding gums and even tooth loss, can be caused by consuming very little vitamin C through your diet. Enjoying this video? Comment down below and give us a like to support the channel. Number 3. Weak and brittle hair and nails. Brittle hair and nails can be caused by a multitude of circumstances. One of them is a biotin deficiency. The most apparent symptoms are brittle hair and nails, or hair and nails that starts to become thin and start to split. Number 4. Dandruff and itchy flaking skin. A nutrient-deficient diet can contribute to the development of dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. For example, low zinc, niacin, vitamin B3, riboflavin, vitamin B2, and pyridoxine, vitamin B6, levels in the bloodstream may all play a role in the development of the condition. People who suffer from dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis may benefit from increasing their intake of these nutrients. Whole grains, meat, fish, dairy, nuts, and seeds are just some examples of foods high in niacin, riboflavin, and pyridoxine, among other nutrients. Number 5. Ulcers and lesions in and around the mouth. Inadequate intake of certain vitamins or minerals may contribute to lesions in and around the mouth. Mouth ulcers, often known as canker sores, are frequently caused by iron or B vitamin deficits. A lack of iron and B vitamins can also cause the corners of the mouth to crack, split, or bleed. Number 6. Night blindness. A nutrient-deficient diet might cause eyesight difficulties in some people. Low vitamin A levels, for example, are frequently connected to night blindness, a disorder that impairs people's ability to see in poor lighting or at nighttime. Number 7. Restless Leg Syndrome. Restless Leg Syndrome, RLS, also known as Willis-Ekbom illness, is a nerve ailment that causes unpleasant or uncomfortable leg feelings as well as an insatiable desire to move them. There does appear to be a correlation between RLS symptoms and blood iron levels. Several studies, for example, have linked low blood iron reserves to a worsening of RLS symptoms. Iron supplementation can help relieve RLS symptoms, specifically in patients who have been diagnosed with an iron deficit. Increased intake of iron-rich foods, such as meat, chicken, fish, and whole grains, may be advantageous because higher iron intake appears to lessen symptoms. If you liked this video, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.